Can Samsung really push foldable phones even further in 2025? That's what many people are asking after a new leak gave us some interesting details about the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. If you've been waiting to upgrade or are just curious about what's next, this leak might just give you a better idea of what's coming. And some of the changes are actually worth paying attention to. So, here's what we know so far. A Samsung device with a model number SMF966U was recently spotted on Geekbench. It's believed this is the US version of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. What stood out the most was the processor. It's listed under the codename Sun, which matches Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. This isn't just the regular version of the chip. It's the one made specifically for Samsung's top-tier phones, offering higher clock speeds. That means smoother performance, faster app loading, and possibly better battery efficiency. Speaking of performance, it also showed 12 GBs of RAM. Now, some users were hoping to see 16 GBs this year, especially with more people using phones for multitasking and even light gaming or video editing. But Samsung seems to be sticking with 12 for now, likely relying on the improved chip and software optimization to handle everything more smoothly. Now, here's something interesting. The phone tested was running Android 16, which hasn't officially launched yet. This suggests that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will come with One UI 8, Samsung's updated user interface built on top of Android 16. That's a big deal because newer software often means better privacy tools, smoother animations, and smarter features that improve day-to-day use. Let's move on to the display, one of the key reasons people choose foldables in the first place. The main inner screen is expected to be 7.6 inches with a resolution of 2160 by 1856 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. That means smoother visuals whether you're watching videos, scrolling social media, or even gaming. The cover screen, which you use when the phone is folded shut, is likely going to be 6.3 inches with a resolution of 968 by 2376 pixels. It also supports a 120 Hz refresh rate and is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which should offer better resistance against scratches and drops. Battery specs haven't changed much from the previous model. The Fold 7 is expected to have a 4,400 mAh battery along with 25-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging. While those numbers are the same as last year, the new chip and software may help the phone last longer on a full charge. The camera setup also stays familiar but still solid. Rumors say it will have a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The under-display selfie camera is expected to be 4 megapixels, not the sharpest, but helps keep the screen free from Q-tips or notches. One area that might change this year is the price. Right now, smartphones coming into the US aren't being hit with import taxes, but that could change soon. If new tariffs are added, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might end up costing more than $2,000 in the US. That's definitely a high price, even for a flagship foldable phone. With a few months still left before the official reveal, there's plenty of time for more details and leaks to come out. But from what we've seen so far, Samsung is clearly aiming to stay ahead in the foldable phone market. And with Apple rumored to be working on its own foldable for 2027, the competition is only going to get more intense. If you want to keep up with everything about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and other upcoming tech news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. You won't want to miss what's coming next.